In this session, one most important fact that I wanted to establish was bringing in precision, the accuracy when you are counting a particular number. And the best way to go about it was by providing an authentic problem. Too short to hold? You are not able to hold your pencil?
Even I can't hold it.
Is everyone facing the problem?
Yes.
Okay, what should we do then?
Let's count it to math.
What I started off by doing was to get the administrator in.
Okay.
Can we have some new pencils?
Okay. Just
Yeah?
give me a few minutes. I'll just get the pencils for you.
Sure.
Okay.
Right? Okay.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Here are some pencils.
Okay, new pencils. Huh? You all didn't get the pencil? But Ritu ma'am, we asked you to get pencils, no?
Ma'am, you told me some pencils, so I got some pencils.
Did you tell Ritu ma'am we need 25 pencils?
Yes.
Did you tell her? Then. Arsha, how many pencils do we need?
25.
25 pencils. Okay. And do we have 25 pencils just now? No. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, I have a problem.
Okay.
Right now, I'm giving a new pencil to K2.
Huh.
Then I have to give new pencils to each grade of Key Stage 1.
How many? According to the number of students that are there.
Yes, absolutely, ma'am.
Okay. So that means you need the exact number.
Yes, ma'am. I require an exact number of students in each grade to given a pencil.
Okay, K2. We need to know the exact number of students in each grade. The hook was for the children to understand the idea of precision, and therefore the entry point that was used over here was authentic problem solving. Now we have to find out how many children are there in Key Stage 1. Do we know the exact number of children in each of these grades?
No, we only know K2.
You only know K2. What will we do then to find out?
Count in the attendance that how many we have.
You can check the attendance register to see how many children are there. Okay, that is one way. Srisha, any other way?
We can also tell the man that how many total in the class you have. Then we can give that much pencils to them.
3 strategies. We will ask the ma'ams, we will check the attendance register, and we will do the head count. Okay? Srisha, I want you to go and do a head count of the pre-K children. And you have to tell me the number. 1 minute. Priyashi, I want you to check the attendance register of grade 2 and tell me the exact number. Okay? I want you to go to K1 and ask the ma'am how many children are there in the class. Okay? And Nandini, you will go to grade 1 and you will ask the ma'am how many children are there in your class. Alright? Go. I told them to go and apply those strategies in each of the grades.
There is 28 people in K1.
There are 28 children in K1. How did you know that?
Rudy ma'am told me.
Kruti ma'am told you. So each child came back with some number, and that some number was not cross-checked to see whether it was the exact number of students in each grade. And Srisha is finally back with us. And Srisha is going to tell us how many children are there in pre-K.
There were 21.
How do you know?
Because I counted the bag.
Do you think she is correct by counting the bags? What problem did we face over here? You did not count the ones who were? So do you think that there are some children absent in the class? So do you think that is a 21 is the exact number? That is where I had to come in as a facilitator to help them understand that probably you are wrong in your counting, and how will you know how to bring in that exact number. And there, when she went again to say the attendance register will have the number of students that are there in the class.
Found 24.
There are 24. How did you come to know?
We took the attendance.
Huh?
The ma'am was helping me to find the attendance.
Huh?
And I counted how many. Then I came to how many are there. So it was 24.
There are 24 children in pre-K. You checked in the register. Okay, all right. So there are 24 children in pre-K. If we have to count now all these pencils that we have, what we need to do is we need to make 5 groups.
Yes.
Each table becomes one class. So there is pre-K. That table, Ekagra's table is K1. Ayan's table is K2. This table, Kahan's table is grade 1 and Samya's table is grade 2. What are we supposed to do? You have to count the pencils. We will ask Ritu ma'am how she wants. Okay? We have a problem again. We have found the number. Okay? But we don't know how to give you the pencils. They are giving all different. So how would you like to have?
I don't want to sit and count 1, 2. I don't have that much time.
So you want it faster?
It has to be faster.
Okay. She wants the pencils in a way that it is fast for her to count.
I have to just give it to the grade.
They may give you 10 or they may give you 15.
No, I don't want 10, 15.
Then how do you want?
I want the exact.
You want the
exact number according to each grade.
You want the exact number. Okay. So let us find out what we need to do from this. We need the exact number. The second thing is we want
Easier way,
faster way to count. So fast and quick and easy. So can we look at the third point is work as a team. You are the pre-K table. How many pencils?
24.
You have to count. You have to count 24 pencils. I am writing it so that it is easier for you. And 5 is 10. 10 and 5 is
20.
15. 15 and 5 is
20.
20.
But we have 3. So we need 23. We get 2.
2 more. Okay. You need 2 more. So I will give you 2 more pencils. Wait. Okay. Now let's count. 5.
10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Is it the number?
Yes.
Okay. Lovely. Do you think this is faster?
Yes.
Very good. Let me go to another table to see if they have come up with a better strategy. I was moving around and observing and assessing them on the established criteria to say whether they are working as a team and what is the strategy that they are using to give an easy and fast count. Are they even focused as to what they are supposed to do? So that was my ongoing assessment. Did you work as a team? Did you work as a team? Is it going to help you to come up with the exact number? Right now you don't know whether you have 24 pencils, you have less pencils, you have more pencils, you don't know that. Then I am calling Ritu ma'am now. Are we ready for Ritu ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So each group ma'am had a number to count. Okay. You had to count the exact number, right? Ma'am, that you said, right? You want the exact number. Then you wanted a method that was
Fast and
easy. Yes,
Okay.
correct. And the third,
Working in a group.
working as
As a team.
a team. Okay. Now you have to tell me whether each one of you were able to do it or not. Can you check, ma'am, whether it is fast and easy method to count?
how I have to count the pencils? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, do you think you feel this is fast to count?
No, I don't feel that. It takes time. 1, 2, 3. It's
You-
taking time.
Okay, for
It is
this
not
group.
fast.
Okay, ma'am,
Okay.
can
Now
we
let
check
me
the
just
next
go-
group?
Do you have the exact number of the pencils?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And
What is your method to count the pencil?
Aman, did you work as a group? So did you do exact counting? No. Okay. All right. Ma'am, this group does not have the exact number. That group does not have the fast strategy. Let us go to this group and find out.
So do you have the exact number first of all?
Yes.
What is your exact number?
25.
Okay. Now tell me how can I
How did it?
faster?
How can she count?
Five groups.
Okay.
Okay, five
We
groups.
first five groups, then we separated them.
Okay.
And we counted and then now we added 25. This one.
Okay.
Plus is this. Okay. So 5,
5,
10,
15,
15.
20, 25.
perfect. And I
Ah,
think it's
this-
making sense. Counting one by one, you have a grouping of 5.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
okay.
we worked as a group also.
Good strategy.
Okay.
Okay.
And the last table, ma'am.
What is your exact number?
26.
26. How did you make 26? You worked as a team.
So you were taking turns?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Grade 1, did you create the exact number?
Yes.
Did you use a strategy that was fast and easy?
Yes.
What do you feel, Ritu ma'am?
Absolutely. I felt it is very easier because making a group of 5, it was
A set of
like,
5. Huh.
Totaling up, and it is much faster than counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very nice.
Ma'am, one thing I also noticed that they had very clarity that how they have gone about in sorting the material.
Correct.
And making the group and everything. There was a clarity of the thought and saying that how we have worked as a team.
Very good. So right now I am giving a smiley for my grade 1 group. Whenever we are counting, is it important for us to be very, very exact? Or that table has 35 pencils because they are not counting the exact number. Correct? This table again, you were counting 1, 1, 1, 1. You did not come up with a good strategy, so you were still confused. Right? So is it important to count the exact number? Yes. So Ritu ma'am, you have certain numbers we will not be able to give you.
Okay.
So we will come back to you with the K1 and the K2. Right now, the pencils that she can take, which are exact in number, is for grade.
Okay. I'm taking it away grade 1 and giving it to grade 1 class 25.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
ma'am, I have the exact number 25
For
and
grade.
I can give this to grade 1. Thank you very much.
K2, what did we learn from this session? What did you learn that was very important for you all to do?
We learned that we have to count fast.
You have to count fast. Counting fast is important. Yes, Samaira.
Like we learned, we make a group and we always sit as a group and work together.
You have to work together as a group, right? If you don't work together as a group, what will happen?
confused.
You will get confused. And tell me one thing. Why was Ritu ma'am asking that I want a fast and easy method?
Because so she doesn't have to count like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Correct.
Go slowly, like freaking group.
Okay. That means good strategies always help us to solve the problem.
We added the correct number, so we got the smiley.
Okay, you got the correct number. You used good strategies and you worked as a team.
Yes, all of them.
Do you think whenever we work as a group and we are counting something, Arshia, is it important for us to count the exact number?
Yes.
Is it important for us to find out a method that is fast and easy to count?
Yes.
Yes.